Hello everybody and welcome to this IC Markets market commentary. My name is Chloe Edwards from Trade with Precision, and today I want to highlight a few markets for you, starting off with gold. Gold is currently in a downtrend. This is the daily time frame here, and we can see lower highs and lower lows as price has progressed down towards this 1680 level. Now price a few days ago did actually break down through that 1680 level of support and has been consolidating beneath that level for several days. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for price to break beneath that area of consolidation. We may be able to see that more clearly here on the 4-hourly time frame, where we can see this consolidation beneath the 1680 level. If price does manage to break beneath these lows, beneath this area of consolidation, then there is quite some significant distance for price to travel before the next significant horizontal level of support around 1530. That can be clearly seen on the weekly time frame down here. And if that were to be the case, then I would be continuing to look for short opportunities down to that level. The next market that I want to highlight for you is WTI. In fact, both of the crude oils I'll touch on briefly. So WTI also in a downwards trend currently. I can see lower highs and lower lows in price action, and it's currently sitting in between two major levels of support resistance, between this $95 a barrel level up here and heading down potentially towards the $77 a barrel level down here, which is the next major level of support. So WTI is another market that I am fairly bearish on at the moment. I'll continue to be looking for short opportunities as price progresses downwards towards this $77 a barrel level. Alternatively, if price does turn around and start to move back upwards, then it's the $95 mark up here that I will be looking for price to progress towards. Brent oil also in a downtrend, lower highs and lower lows, and again it's broken down through this $100 a barrel significant level of support and resistance up here and heading down towards the next significant level of support, which is around 86.50. Now there's not an awful lot of distance to travel now between where price currently is and that next level of potential support. So while price is in a downtrend, I'm quite cautious about this because there is every possibility that price could actually bounce at this 86.50 level. So it's how price will react around this next level of support that will determine whether there are potential short opportunities beneath this level, in which case I would be looking potentially for price to head all the way down to $70 a barrel eventually. But if this 86.50 level holds, then I would perhaps anticipate price rising back up towards the $100 mark. A couple of currency pairs that I just want to have a look at because they are in very strong trends currently. First of all, cable, pound, British pound against the US dollar in a very strong downtrend here, lower highs and lower lows. There doesn't seem to be an awful lot in the way of price moving even further downwards. We're in pretty uncharted waters with the lows that the pound has been aiming towards. And really all I'm looking for is a pullback of some sort in order to take advantage of this continued downtrend. There aren't really any strong levels of support in the way of price currently. You can see here that we've just recently broken down through this 1.146 level of support. This is the monthly time frame I'm looking at here. So this level has been reached back in 2016 and also back in 2020. Both of those were major news events with the Brexit referendum vote in 2016, and then, of course, with the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic in 2020. So those lows were significant news events, and since then now we've reached back down and broken down below those lows. So I am very bearish and remain very bearish on cable for now, and it's just a case of finding a suitable retracement in order to pick up on a renewed downtrend. And the other currency pair that I want to look at, which is also in a strong downwards trend, is euro against the US dollar. And again, on the monthly time frame here, we can see that price has broken down through this significant support level around 1.05. So price again has never really been this low before. And there is not much in the way of horizontal support that we can put on our charts. It's just a case of waiting for a pullback in order to get the best price into the market. So I would be waiting for price to pull back up, perhaps into these moving averages, in order to look then for a renewed opportunity to enter into the downtrend. And as I said, there isn't really a horizontal level of support that we can use here. We've already broken through parity, so we've already broken through the $1 to €1 mark up here, and price has continued downwards with the downtrend. We're still seeing lower lows as well as lower highs along here. So the only thing that we can do in terms of looking for areas to target is to go for round numbers. And the next round number really that I would be looking at would be the 0.9 level. So that's it from me for today. I wish you a pleasant day of trading, and I hope to speak to you soon.